AI music production and AI music creation, it's not going to go away. It's going to take over. And the people that implement it are going to have a career, and the people that don't are going to fall behind. We're seeing this in virtually every other industry. I know there's a lot of controversial stuff about that, especially with like AI arts and is it stealing from people and which ones are and aren't. And it kind of goes back to the age-old question, what is art and how much of the art do you need to create from scratch? The story about I didn't want to use these samples because samples are cheating, so I had to go record them, and it gets all the way down to the dude making his own drums out of goat skin, and it's just like, where do you draw that line? Because anywhere you draw that line is complicated. Anyways, I'm interested in that topic, especially when it comes to music, because just like how when DAWs came out and presets came out and plugins and all that kind of stuff, and people said, that is not real music. The same argument is being made now with AI. And so I'm interested in that. I'm interested in hearing different perspectives. I'm interested in hearing the AI maximalists that just want to use AI for everything. And, I want to hear their perspective and the tools that they're using. And then I want to hear the other end of the spectrum, which is there can be no AI. I want to hear their perspective. I want to hear the middle of using AI for some things, not for other. I'm extremely interested in that. DAW Nation, listen very closely. This is not the end to this content. This was a teeny tiny little snippet from our full episode. You can check out the full episode in the link in the description. And when you go to the free episode, you can get a free pack over there. So go check it out right now. Why are you still here? Get out of here. Go check it out. We'll see you over there.